Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find working coupon codes for Footlocker. So make sure you watch till the very end because I'm going to tell you the name of a bunch of websites that provide the working coupon codes and you never know which website works for you. First up, we have LA Times. So in order to find them, you just need to head over to Google and search for LA Times coupon codes for Footlocker and the first website will come up for this one. Next up we have Groupon. Now Groupon is honestly a customer favorite, so I recommend you to check this one out. Then we have coupons.businessinsider.com/footlocker and they provide a bunch of coupon codes. After that we have coupons.cnet.com, so you can check, there is also a ton of them. And then we have Capital One Shopping who also provides some. And then we have Coupon Follow, you can also see they have a bunch of them. Then we have washingtonpost.com, and last but not the least we have forbes.com. So make sure you check this one out and see which one works the best for you. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.